This video tutorial will demonstrate how to edit security permissions and add custom roles in Empire Suite. First, log into your account. Go to the Administration main menu. The Administration main menu is where users will set up most of their security permissions and custom role data for their particular accounts. Firm administrators can modify permissions included with the standard user administrator roles and also create custom security roles for the different Empire Suite functional areas. Some current Empire Suite clients have implemented custom security roles for their employees and contractors through custom fields. That is, they've added custom fields to the employee import Excel file, and the security permissions associated with those custom fields govern the employee's ability to use the application. This new version of Empire Suite will reflect a shift from custom field-based security roles into application-based custom security roles. Go to the Company menu. If you are a new employee, or you're editing an existing employee import, which includes a security-based custom field, we will map the custom field to a corresponding custom role as part of the import process. You don't need to make any changes to your import process. If you edit an employee through the Empire Suite Administration Edit User page, we will ignore the custom field value applied through the import and apply permissions associated with either the user or the administrator radio buttons and those applied in the Application Roles section. Select the Edit Permissions submenu. Users can assign new roles through the user or the administrator. Create a brand new role by selecting the New Role button. Type in the name of this new role and click Save. To add or remove permissions in the standard user or administrator roles, click the appropriate role and use the on-off toggle next to each permission to customize the standard roles. This toggle switch allows specific permissions to be applied to specific modules. For example, this permission Approve Others All, in which users with this permission can approve timesheets for all employees, has been applied to those who have access to the Time main menu. Users can manage the permissions for all groups by selecting the Usage icon. They can apply this permission to the roles listed. Apply this desired permission role and click Save. In the Security Permission Setup box, click Save to save your changes, and then click X to X out of the view. This will take you back to the Employee view. Now select the employee for whom you want to edit permissions. This employee is named Wendy Becker. She currently does not report to anybody, so let's assign her someone to report to. And let's give her a location. Under Application Roles, we can see the custom roles that we just created. This is under the Time main menu because if you recall, when we used the security setup permissions, the custom roles that we made were assigned and applied to the Time main menu only. You can also assign various application permissions for other main menus under the Application Roles section. The None Radio button signifies lack of access to this particular role. The User Radio button allows the user to access this particular main menu, and the user will see the corresponding main menu in their account. The Administrator permissions will allow the user master control over this module. Selecting Access to Administration will allow the user access to the Administration main menu. If you wish to disable this user, select Disable User to completely disable and deactivate this specific user. Otherwise, click Save to save your changes. These employee detail changes will be reflected in the Employee view. This concludes the tutorial on how to edit security permissions and add custom roles in Empire Suite.